What's up, everybody? Today
I want to make a baklava with my granddaughter. She want to help me and she want to learn how you make it for future. When I'm not live, she's gonna continue my cooking.
Very good. We're excited.
Then we first start with make a syrup. We need 1 cup sugar and 4 cup boiled water.
Okay.
And 16 ounce honey. And then we have to boil it until get a little bit hard, like this. It's already made it. And then we need 2 package of phyllo dough.
Okay.
And then 1 pan 12 by 16. We're gonna first foil it, and then we need 2 butters.
Okay, so we're gonna put aluminum foil on the tray?
Yeah, we have to put the aluminum foil here. Let me do it.
Anya, you gonna help Metik? You wanna introduce yourself? Does it matter if the shiny side is up or the dull side?
It like this. This pan is all ready. And then we're gonna melt 16 ounce sweet butter.
Okay.
Put in the pan.
And it has to be sweet butter,
yeah,
right? 16 ounce sweet butter.
Yeah, 16 ounces, because you don't need the salty one. It's not good.
Okay, so you just melt that down to like ghee or liquid?
Yeah, melt it. And then we need
Oh, 2 of them?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Just, oh, 16 each or 16 total?
No, 16 total.
Total, okay. Very good.
Then we put the low
flame
until get melted.
Okay.
Okay, and then as soon as the butter is melted, we're gonna open one of the dough. We're gonna divide it by 3 times.
Okay.
2 of them, we're gonna divide it by 3 times. We're gonna put 1 layer and then put the butter. Another layer, another. Has to be any layer has to be put the butter. And then we're gonna have 2 cups of the grounded walnut.
3 cups total?
3 cups of walnut. 2 tablespoons is cinnamon.
Cinnamon, okay. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Done.
Yeah, how's it coming along, Anya? Any commentary? You want to say anything?
We're gonna start with the sheet.
This is the phyllo dough.
Phyllo dough, and then we have 4 of them. We're gonna divide it by 3.
Okay.
Like 1 1/2. Put 1 first, and then 1.
Let's do it. I just watch you do it with the camera.
We have to warm this.
Make sure it's centered so it doesn't fall off. Okay. What is this that we just put in there?
This is a syrup. And we have to put it on the.
Okay. What do you want to do, Anya? Are you going to help us on this?
I'm just going to butter each layer.
I got butter. Okay. First we have to put the...
Okay, so first layer with...
Butter. And then we're going to put the phyllo dough. 1 sheet first.
Time consuming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very...
Each sheet, right?
Yeah. Like a Napoleon is the same.
Okay. Oh, that's the next one.
So after this is done, we'll have
No, after... Yeah.
Oh, this looks good. You reduce it until it becomes a little bit thicker.
Yeah, because it has to be syrup.
Okay. And then that's what you use to pour on top of this when it's done.
When it's finished, when
Okay.
you bring it from oven, you have to put it.
See, and this is where the ingredients and the quality and everything about how you make it matters. Because when you go to a place like, and I don't want to call out any restaurants or any places like that, but their main objective is profitability, where ours is, you know, she's obviously making it with love for her family, with like the best quality ingredients. So like a sheet of this, the way she's making it, will probably cost about double or triple what it costs for one of these stores to make it. They're not going to put that kind of love into this thing. They're going to use the cheapest ingredients.
Each box is $5.
Each box of what? Phyllo?
Yeah.
It's $5.
$5.
So you have what? 2 boxes, so $10 worth.
Yeah.
So
Almost $10 for butter.
$10 for butter?
Yeah, because
for
each one
16
is
ounces of it. Okay, so we're in 20 bucks already. And then to make this syrup, that doesn't cost too much, right? Like the honey and the sugar, maybe?
Honey, almost $10 honey.
Okay, so we're about $30 in.
Yeah, and then walnut is $10 too.
So $40.
$40. Yeah.
Wow, so $40 just for the raw materials on this. Plus her time and the cleanup and the energy it takes to cook it for however long you cook it. Like there's a lot of other variables.
Pistachios.
Oh yeah, the pistachios for decoration, that's probably like another $5.
Yeah.
So if you just round it off about $50, because you put cinnamon, you put this and that, so about $50 in raw ingredients.
If you want to make a profit, you have to use different material. Like maybe you're gonna put the olive oil or margarine.
Right, that's what you're saying, yeah.
The same taste.
Right.
And then you got to factor in your time. How long does it take you to make it from beginning to you eat your first piece?
It starts 6 o'clock, it's gonna take at least 3 hours.
So 3 hours of her time plus $50, and let's say she's worth at least $50 an hour, right? So you got $150 plus $50 in material, so that's truly, it's a $200 tray.
We're gonna put the walnut with the cinnamon. We already mix it.
Okay. And see, at this point in the editing, this is where I would like speed it up a little bit, so you just see a bunch of walnuts and almonds flying around. Spread it evenly.
When do you add the syrup?
And
After it's been baked. It looks like if you would eat like 2 pounds of butter and all that, it just looks like it'd be so much.
Oh yeah, it looks, I mean, it's gonna be pretty rich, but that's why they cut it in such small triangles. You're not meant to eat that much. This thing is supposed to last a family for a while.
maybe
What do you think the shelf life is? Once you make it, how long is it good for in the refrigerator?
you don't have to put the refrigerator.
Okay, so it does not have to be refrigerated.
Soft.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you left it out on the table, covered obviously, how long would it last? What's the shelf life?
Even if you buy from store, it's not in the refrigerator.
Right. Okay, so this one, how long is the shelf life?
Maybe a week.
Week before you throw it away? Okay.
And then we're gonna do second.
Oh, so you did 1/3 and then the nuts?
And then
another layer?
And then it's gonna be.
Wow. Okay, so ideally you want to split the 4 pieces into 3,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like,
Let's count how many layers makes up one of
Anya,
them.
okay, you count it or
Okay.
somebody count.
This
So
is
that's the
one.
first
This
layer
is the first.
after the walnuts were done the second
The
time.
walnut. Anya, mix kalmaz walnut. Okay.
Okay, so this is, how many so far?
This is the 4th layer.
Come over and see the cutting montage. Rip it open.
This is the 5th layer.
Look at my pants.
Alright, so what layer are we on?
This is number 9.
9? Okay. And you have to have one of these in the kitchen.
Oh,
She's just
yes.
waiting for something to drop
Hey,
so she can have a little snack.
She's just waiting for the right opportunity.
Dance with them while the food's baking. You just dance.
Okay, so where are we at now?
This is a final.
Okay.
We're gonna cut.
And which way are we cutting today?
We're gonna cut
I want to hear it.
All the way across, diagonal.
So what shape is this gonna make?
diamond.
Diamond.
Diamond
Okay.
shapes. Okay.
Okay.
So cut it really good, but without, I guess, going through.
Then
And just make it as thick or as thin as you need to.
4.
And you want to make sure your presentation is good. You went through all this effort.
Better be
Take some pride in your cuts.
And try to make each cut, you know, equivalent.
You can even use a ruler.
See how her cuts are about the same.
It's okay. That's how you know it's homemade.
this is not a factory.
Not from a factory. We don't want factory.
And also make sure that the cut goes through all layers.
That's okay. That just forces you to eat another piece if they're stuck together. My excuse.
Oh, then you have to cut it the other side.
Okay. This is like ASMR BAKLAVA edition.
So what would you say is the hardest part?
This
This
one.
is the hardest part, huh?
Yeah. Has to be.
Because the layers keep lifting
Yeah,
up.
keep moving.
Yeah, I have to wait for this. Good.
Done?
Okay. How many pieces
Count
did we say? Count.
60 exactly.
60?
Exactly.
All right, guys. Now we're ready. You can take the tray into the preheated oven. It's at 350. And we don't know how long, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. Anya, start your stopwatch. It's 6:51 right now. Grind the pistachios, and this is for the decoration on top. What do they call it? Garnish or something?
Yeah, garnish.
Garnish or decoration on top. That's about the consistency.
Then we have to keep it on.
Okay. Let me see the consistency. Like when you raise up the spoon, you can see how thin it is.
Not too,
So that's too thin, right? You need it thicker?
yeah, thick a little bit.
Okay.
All the time we have to do it like this, because if you don't, it's gonna come up. It's gonna be splash all over.
So you got our pistachios, and all right, it's done. How many minutes did it take?
It's been 40 minutes.
7:27. We put it in at 6:51.
So about 40 minutes, yeah.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
And then you're gonna pour. Anya, you're gonna pour the syrup.
Oh wow, you can hear it.
This makes the blessing.
It's the best part. Then you can just pour it with the pot, huh?
No, you have to do it everywhere.
But could you like pour it evenly, like if you had a steady hand?
You want to do it?
That's what Anya.
Check. No, it's not gonna be anywhere even.
And then you garnish it. And then how long does it sit before anybody can eat it?
Oh, it has to be get cold. And then
this is the pistachio. Oh, each piece gets some, huh?
yeah. It's the final touch. This is final touch.
It looks so like rich. Like all the butter and
Right.
sugar and syrup.
And that's more than just garnish. That actually gives flavor. I like the taste of the pistachio on top. So if anybody has any nut allergies, I would, check that out first.
Some people put the
wanna-
Cardamom. Some people put cardamom.
Cardamom and clove. It's not good. One day the Aspa gave it to me, some. She put the cardamom and Greek people make different. Arab people make different.
And we have to have the tea going. So by the time the tea's done, it's the best baklava you'll ever have with this fresh Persian tea.
That's it.
And how long do we let it sit for? 10-15 minutes?
No, it has to be cold. It's hot.
Okay, so do you just leave it out or do you put it in the
Leave it
freezer,
here like in
refrigerator?
the morning. Leave it like this.
Okay, so we can't enjoy it tonight with this tea.
Maybe late.
Okay. We're gonna have tea anyway with yesterday's baklava. If you like these type of videos, guys, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, and that's how you support us and let us know that you like and appreciate it, because that's how we get taken care of in the long run. So it's free, it doesn't cost you anything. Just hit the subscribe button and then hit the like or thumbs up. If you leave any comments, I promise we'll reply. Always looking for suggestions. I think next weekend we're gonna try to do, what's that one sweet? Napoleon, or we might do dolma or something, but leave it in the comments and let's see what you like. I was shooting for Napoleon.
Making eggplant salad.
Okay,
Anya.
so are you saying that's the picture of the baklava? Okay.